are 3 popular formats for creating 1 to 2 minute videos for attorneys showing your value as a legal nurse consultant. This is how I would recommend that you format the script. There are many ways that you can do a script. Here are 3 popular formulas. Here's the first one. Start with the problem or the pain point. Ask the viewer if she has this issue. Then share your experience with that issue. Provide action steps or advice to solve the problem, and then give a call to action by offering your website, your contact information, your phone number, or your email. Give that viewer a way to reach you. Here's an example of this first formula. You're sitting in your office looking at your hard drive. You've seen PDF files of medical records. You know by looking at that file there's 10,000 pages in that record. You've received important information and you think, how am I ever going to have the time to go through that? Is that something that happens to you? Attorneys turn to me to help them make sense of medical records. One of the first steps I recommend to attorneys is to have a knowledgeable person who will organize those materials. If they come to you electronically, Adobe Acrobat is a great tool for separating records into sections and to find specific information. Once they're organized, you can add comments and you can add highlighting to specific pages or sections or words. By having somebody organize the materials first, they'll be far easier to review for specific pages. Your assistant can create a table of contents that will make it easier to locate information within the record. Let me be that assistant. Not only can I organize that stack for you, I can also analyze it and give you a report of the pertinent information based on what you need and want to know. Contact me to discuss your needs. Let's take away the medical record headache. Here's the second pattern. Start with the problem by saying, one thing I've been hearing from my clients is this. Follow with, here's what I know. Wrap up your advice with what you can offer. If you're worried about X, then do Y. And if you want to learn more, you can connect with me this way. That's your call to action. Ready for an example? One thing I've been hearing from my plaintiff attorney clients is that they are concerned about delays in getting their cases tried. With courthouses closed due to COVID restrictions, my clients are worried about these limitations affecting their ability to settle or try cases. Here's what I know. Picking cases with clear-cut liability, causation, and damages is even more important now. As the plaintiff attorney, you want those cases that will help the defense agree to an early settlement rather than waiting months or years to get a court date. Sometimes cases that look clear-cut on the surface have hidden medical facts that complicate the case. Without a medical background, you have no idea there's a little bomb sitting in those medical records. Let me be your bomb squad and give you the analysis you need to reject or resolve your case. Here's how to contact me. So far, I've covered 2 patterns. The first was reveal a problem and show how you can help. The second is you share your expertise based on what you know your prospects are experiencing. Here's a third pattern and the final one. Take a contrarian position. Start with, they say this, and I don't agree, because I assert I'm right because of this information. Offer your rationale and conclude with a call to action. Let's see how to use this for an LNC video. They say a patient with Alzheimer's disease does not feel pain. I've actually had an attorney say this to me. And therefore the damages are limited because there's a lack of awareness of pain. I don't agree. I know I'm right because I've cared for patients with Alzheimer's disease who could not describe their pain, and yet their bodily and behavioral reactions showed that they were in pain. They moaned, they grimaced, they pulled away when they were touched. If you're a defense attorney ready to take that position, that the damages are limited because the patient had Alzheimer's disease, be careful. An experienced nurse or a neurologist can easily refute that position. As a legal nurse consultant, my ability to analyze and explain medical facts will prevent you from taking a medically unsupportable position. Be sure to contact me for help with your next case. Get more by subscribing to this YouTube channel. I'll see you again soon.